Namaste. Money is not everything, but money is very important. You need money to live comfortably. If you don't have enough money, you cannot live in peace. So, money management is very important in your life. If you don't have control over money, the lack of it will control you forever. First, you must clearly know where you are in terms of money. You cannot manage what you don't measure. So, first you must know clearly about your income, your expenditure, your debts, and the money needed for your life goals and big responsibilities. Then you can start planning. You must learn to live within your means. If you cannot live within your means, you must find ways either to increase your income or to decrease your expenditure. Otherwise, no amount of money will be sufficient to you. Create a budget and plan your expenses around it. If you are planning monthly, don't make the mistake of taking into account of the monthly expenditures only. Take into account of the yearly expenditures like health insurance, yearly tour plans, etc. Divide the amount by 12 and add it to the monthly expenditures. Keep the amount separately in a saving account or in a recurring deposit account so that the money will be there at the time of expenditure. Additionally, set aside a fixed amount every month to meet emergencies. As Warren Buffett said, do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Many people are tempted to use credit cards frequently. Too much credit is not good for you. It will make you miserable. Even though many credit cards allow you to pay a minimum amount monthly, they charge highest rate of interest on the balance amount. So, you are paying huge interest money until you are debt free. Beware of your impulsive purchases. They can drain your budget money. Follow a simple rule. If they are small purchases, wait 24 hours before you buy it. If they are big purchases, wait a week or a month before buying it. It will give you time to think over whether the expenditure is necessary or not. Never spend money to impress other people or to keep an image. Expensive habits, gambling, and thoughtless expenditures will not allow you to live within your means. So, regularly review your expenditure pattern and avoid this kind of expenditures. At the same time, don't deny yourselves the things you love the most. Be liberal and within the budget. Spend money on the things and experiences that bring value and joy to your life. Money is very important to achieve your life goals and to support the things you care about mostly, like your family, your education, your health care, charity, fun and adventure. Money will help you to live happily as long as you know what you can expect from it and what you cannot expect from it. When you value money and use it wisely, you can choose your course of life with freedom, with security and peace. We shall discuss more about peace of mind next Wednesday. Thank you.